guys, I'm going to just show you real fast how I get in and out of a kayak when there's a nice shallow beach like this to get in and out of. I usually face the boat backwards, although you can face it forwards, but I don't know why I always do it like this. And you're just going to step in and sit down, bring that other leg in. There's not too big a fear of turning because you're in such shallow water. And then you just got to get yourself off the beach with a little push. And then you are good to go. And then I will show you how to get back out. Alright guys, here's how we get back out from a shallow beach. You just get the front of the boat beach the best you can. And then just get one foot on land, use the paddle to support the other side. And just stand up. Don't push too hard with your inside foot. And then you're out, just like that. Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to get in and out of a kayak using your paddle to brace from a bank. This is specifically for getting in and out from an embankment when the water level and the shore is too deep to actually step in and out. So what you're going to do is take your paddle and use it to brace on land and on the actual boat while you step in and out. With your weight pushed down, it's going to stabilize the boat for you. So what I'm going to do is put the paddle half on land, half on the boat. I'm going to push down with my body weight on that paddle. I'm going to keep that downward force to stabilize. Once my feet are in, now I'm going to get my bottom down as quickly as possible on the seat. Once you get your bottom down, that boat's not going to want to flip as easily. That's kind of the key. Once you're in, just push away with your paddle. You're good to go. Okay, getting back out from the kayak onto a bank. Same thing, using the paddle to help brace and stabilize, but I found it's better if you put the paddle behind you when you're getting out. So what I'm going to do now is place the paddle behind me so I can do more of a push-up motion. It's best if the bank is the same height as the boat. That's going to make it easier. This is a little tough because the water's low, so I'm kind of going uphill for this, but it's still doable. So now when I'm ready, pull my legs up, get my feet on the bottom of the boat. I'm going to put a downward pressure on the paddle, and now I'm going to lift up using mostly my upper body to put that downward weight to help stabilize the boat. Now I can get my leg and my bottom onto that bank, and I'm still pushing down on the paddle, but all I've got is one leg in the boat, so I can kind of hold the boat there with my paddle and my leg until I'm ready to get all the way out. And now I am ready to get up.